video we are going to learn a new concept of division. In the last class we have learned division is also known as repeated subtraction. Okay, and I hope you all have done the work also. If not, then please do it. Now in this class we are going to learn division on number line. From past few chapters, like from addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now this is division. We have learned all these concepts on the number line. Now this division concept also we are going to learn on number line. As we know that division is a repeated subtraction, so let us see how division on number line is done. Okay, you can see here one example, 12 divided by 2. Now how to do this on the number line? First of all, from 0 we will first move to 12. Okay, we will start division on number line from 12 because we are dividing 12 by 2. Okay, 12 divided by 2. So we will start from 12, and every time which number is subtracting, 2 is getting subtracted. So from the left we are going to move from the left we are going to move to the right. Okay, and then from right we will again move back to left. And how we are going to do this? We are going to do this by the concept of skip counting. And this time we are not doing skip counting in a forward manner, we will be doing backward manner. Okay, so we will start from 12, and every time we have to skip by 2 numbers, right? So we will start from here 12, now 1, 2, so here, then from here again 1, 2, then again from here 1, 2. See, remember when we are landing here 8. So we are not counting again 8 because already been counted. So we are counting 1, 2. Then from here 1, 2. Okay. In this way. And we have to keep on moving unless we reach 0. We have to reach to 0. So again here 1, 2. And then 1, 2. Right. Now we are on 0. So how many times we have skipped? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. That means 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the number of times we are skipping is the answer for this question. Okay, so we will write here 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Right? So this is how the division concept is done on the number line. Again I am going to repeat this. The question is 12 divided by 2. So first we will start from 12. Like from 0 we will straight away go to 12, and 12 is the number. It is actually called, the 12 is called the dividend. Like when you will go to class 3, you will learn all the components of division. Here also I'll just introduce you what are these called. This is dividend, this is divisor. Dividend is the number which is being divided, and 2 is the number which is being which is dividing the dividend. That is, 2 is the divisor, and the answer which we get after dividing is called the quotient. Okay. Now in your class you have to learn what is quotient means the answer, and not necessary that always the division is done exactly. Sometimes the remainder is also there. So that is another part or another component of division. So that we will discuss later on, but as of now we are learning division on number line. So we will start from 12, and we are going to use the concept of skip counting. And in skip counting here we are doing backward skip counting, right? So how many times, how many numbers, like which number we are going to skip? We are going to skip the 2 because 2 is the divisor. Always remember we will skip the divisor. Okay, had it been 3, then we would have skipped 3 numbers. That also I will show you now. So here in this question we are going to skip by 2's. So here you can see 1, 2, 1, 2. So every time we are not counting. See, like from 12, okay, 1 and 2. So we are skipping, we are just not counting 12 from here 1, 2, then again we are leaving 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2 like that. And then now you have to see how many times we have skipped. So we have skipped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay. So we will take one more example, that is 12 divided by, let's say 4. Now 12 divided by 4. In 4's table also we get 12. So this is another example I will be showing you again here. So the question is 12 divided by 4, right? Now 12, as I told you, this is dividend, 4 is a divisor, and the answer which we will get, okay, that will be called as quotient. Now we have to again start from 12 because 12 is the dividend. We will start from 12 and we will skip by 4's. So we will start 1, 2, 3, 4. From 12 we have come to 8 because 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 8 we are not going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here again. Okay. And we have to reach, remember we have to reach 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have reached 0. How many times we have skipped? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. That means 12 divided by 4 is 3. So here also 3. Okay, in this way, like we have to do division on number line, right? And one more example I'll give you. Say 10 divided by, let's say 5. Okay. So how shall we do that? This is the third example. This is first example, second example and third example. Now let us do that also. And whatever I am doing on the board, children, I want all of you to copy down in your maths PW copy, because these are examples, and from here you will learn and you will clear your concepts. Okay. So the question is 10 divided by 5. Fine. Now how to do? So dividend is 10 over here. So we are going to start our division from 10, not from 12. Here. And by how many numbers we have to skip? We have to skip by 5. So let us start from here. Like we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have landed to 5. Again we have to reach to 0. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see how many times we have skipped? 2 times. 1 and 2. And the answer is 2 here. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. So I hope by now you must have understood how to do division on number line. Now in your book, page number 90, you will see few questions are given, and apart from this you will copy down these questions, and I will be giving you few more questions based on this, and you will do it in your copy. I am not going to draw the number line for you. You will draw the number line by yourself and you will show that division on the number line. As I have done here, like drawn number line, okay, and I have showed the division on number line. In the similar manner, I will be giving you questions. In this way, I will give you the questions and you have to find out the answers by number line. Okay. So that's all in this video. You will be doing page number 90 at the same time the questions which I am giving you. Right. So till then, just keep practicing, keep learning. Take care and bye-bye.